Let's explore the consultation bar. Patient information area. Top toolbar. Module bar. Control panel. View layout tab bar. There is content that you can use in your consultations. You can see a list of images in the Image tab. The top area displays the tools specific to the image view. You can change to your favorite layout from the Layout tab button at the top. You can manipulate the video through the video control bar. You can use a flexible UI like a 2D, 3D viewer. Using diagnostic data for consultation. Change to a layout other than a single layout. Place the treatment video for the patient in one layout. Change the control panel to the Image tab. Place the 2D imaging diagnostic data on the remaining layout. You can also open CT diagnostic data for consultation. How to create a playlist. Check the videos in the list that you want to add to the playlist. The selected video is added to the top playlist. Click the Play All to play all the video on the playlist. The video will play in one cycle. If you want to play the playlist on repeat, click the Play All Repeat button. To empty the playlist, click the Empty button. Save a playlist. Click the Save to Playlist button to save the list of videos in the playlist. Enter a name for the playlist you want to save and click the Save button. You can see that the playlist is saved. How to edit the contents category. Click the Settings icon in the upper right corner of the contents list. Select a saved playlist and press the bottom button to edit and delete it. Add a content category. Click the Settings icon in the upper right corner of the contents list. In the Contents category dialog, select the Add button. Enter the name of the category you want to add and click the Save button. With the added category selected, click the Add Contents button. When you import the desired consultation content data, it is stored in a category. For additional education modules, please visit the Education Academy under the Education tab.